Let's go through the ingredients list of the newly launched Dot and Key Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Milk Face Toner. Go to the Dot and Key website. Select the product, scroll down to find the ingredients list, and copy it. Next, go to insidecoder.com and click on Decode in Sci. Paste the ingredients list and click on Analyze. The product is free from fragrances, essential oils, and alcohol. Contains popular ingredients like glycerin, ceramides, sodium hyaluronate, allantoin, panthenol, niacinamide, aloe berrydensis leaf juice, centella asiatica, betaine, and more. You can click on each ingredient to know more about it. The product looks great, but I spotted repetition of aqua and glycerin.